Hi guys, 𝗖𝗔𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗔 from Audio Direct, and you know that we love the saying big is beautiful, and they don't come much bigger than this. Check this out, the 2009 final edition Hummer H2 with a Duramax 6.2 litre engine, the only one to have, and this one really is in absolutely fantastic condition. Forget the immaculate bodywork, the vehicle's had a complete respray, not because it was damaged, but because its owner, lovely couple, wanted this thing to be in tip-top condition as it's going all the way around Europe. So as you can see, I mean, this thing is baller on another level. It's pretty big, right? And check out the interior, the most gorgeous interior. All the work has been done by our friends at Rapido Garage. We've known the garage for years. We do their audio work, and we send lots of work their way as well, because these guys are not only a nice friendly bunch, but they actually know what they're doing. You know, you can see, here we go, Rapido Garage. We'll drop a little link to them as well. Beautiful Hummer. Now what we're going to be doing on this is swapping out that very dated factory stereo. We're putting in a Hummer H2 specific Android unit. We're going to be connecting up that roof monitor as well, so whatever you play on the front is going to be coming onto that roof monitor as well. Check out the interior on this thing. It's all been resprayed as well. BOSE system, so we'll be incorporating that, the amp, the subwoofer as well. And here we're going to be putting two 12.5-inch 4K Android screens, plus front and rear parking sensors, and 360 camera system. Not an easy job. These things are massive. We've got UHD 360 camera systems that we're going to be installing in this, and it's going to transform the vehicle. Stay tuned to see what it looks like afterwards. 𝗖𝗔𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗔 from Audio Direct.